guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be trying a OG wash and go. I was looking at my videos from back in the day and I saw that my wash and goes were a lot more simplified. Please excuse any noise you hear. My toddler is running around. He doesn't want to leave my side, and also the fans are on because it's super hot. So I've already washed and cleansed my hair and deep conditioned my hair. It was protein week this week, so I used the My L Organics deep treatment, and I've already applied my leave-in conditioner, and I have the conditioner in. Hey baby. And I'm going to be using the Eco Style green gel for this wash and go. I'm going to be applying a little bit of oil, and today's oil choice is Argon Oil. It's very lightweight.
Hi guys.
My son. So we're going to get right into the video. I have low porosity hair, by the way. That's why I'm opting for a lighter oil to seal rather than a heavier oil. Really focusing that on my ends. And that Paul Mitchell leave-in conditioner is really lightweight. Like, it's really lightweight to me. It doesn't really do anything. And if you guys are new here and you see like this is a little bit more straight, that's just my hair, girl. That's just my hair. Okay, so the Eco Styler Gel Olive Oil one is a max hold gel, and it doesn't have a level on there, but typically a max hold gel is the highest hold, like very high hold. So let's just see how it goes. I've used this for buns and all that jazz, not really for my wash and goes lately, so let's see how it goes. So I'm going to when I was looking at my video, I noticed that I wet my hair, then I took a bit of gel and I applied to a whole section. Apply to the whole section, even the ends. And my hair is damp. It's not like soaking wet, it's damp. Y'all, I scratched my eye while I showered. While I was washing my hair, I literally poked my eye, my upper eye area, and nicked my skin. So you're rushing through stuff. Okay. Make sure your hair is somewhat detangled before you put the brush to it. You don't want to cause unnecessary breakage. And then you can just carefully, you can also turn it this way. This is a lot easier to me, but some parts of my hair are hard to brush that way, so I just don't do that. But brush, roots, under roots, smooth down. Tangle, a little bit of water. brush. And wash it away. Only thing is this, there's flakes everywhere. But the definition is everything. The volume is everything. That little curl that was hanging shrunk up, so that's perfect. There's flakes flying all over. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.